Hi, Kendall here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to talk about VidJack and its powerful features and its applications, and it is an interactive video creation software. So why don't we go ahead and hop right into it? All right, you can add a campaign two different ways, one of these two buttons, and we're just going to call this demo. We're going to grab a link from YouTube about composting. You're going to create, or you can add a Vimeo video instead if you prefer. There's a multitude of different element options here. So all designed to increase the amount of interaction you have with your viewers. So you have text, you have image, you have buttons, subscribe, pop up, product that people can buy products directly from your video, quiz, timer to encourage urgency, a reward that you can throw up there. And so if they watch a certain amount of time of the video, you can reward them with like a free ebook or something. You have some multimedia share buttons so your viewers can share this video easily, and then you can do a video inside of a video, which is kind of nifty. And you have some embed options, and you can throw a map on your video as well. On any of these elements, you click on it, and it'll bring you to how to customize it. You can customize how it transitions into the video. We'll throw in that same video there just for kicks. And yep, there it is right there. And down here on the timeline, you can drag it about where you want it to show up along the timeline. You can customize how long you want it to show up for. And so all that is pretty neat. Up top here, you have some integration options to sync in with your autoresponder for email marketing. And you have desktop, tablet, and mobile. And you can customize how this looks for each of these devices to really get the most out of these videos. Some more embed options here. You preview, exit, save, obviously, and then bonus. VidJack does provide a free bonus of training of how to start an interactive video agency, if that's something that you wanted to take advantage of. Over here on the top right, we have some more settings. You can set the video to autoplay. You can turn the video controller on or off so if it's off, people can't pause it or skip ahead. You can redirect people to a URL. You can customize the play button on the video itself. You customize the thumbnail. You can add a sticky video in its location, and you can also customize themes. And that's pretty much a wrap for VidJack. As you can see, there's a lot of options here. They definitely put a lot of value into this. And thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Farewell, friends.